So the colligative properties are which depends on the number of solute particles relative to the total number of particles in the solution. In place of the nature of the particles, these depends on the number of particles. This is the main thing, right? For example, the osmosis, that depends on the number of particles. If more concentration is there, the osmotic pressure will be more. And in the same way as in the elevation in Vp, we have discussed so far, elevation in Vp, depression in Fp, that all depends on the mass of the solid particles. That means the number of the non-volatile solute in the solution. The elevation in Vp and depression in Fp depends on the solute particles. So here the colligative properties are all those properties which depends on the number of particles, number of solute particles. In place of their nature, in place of their nature. Relative to total number of particles in the solution. Right? So for example, the colligative properties, which are colligative properties, relative lowering of vapor pressure, relative lowering of vapor pressure, elevation in Vp, elevation in boiling point, and the depression in freezing point, and osmosis, osmotic pressure, colligative properties. These are some properties which are, these properties are colligative properties. Are colligative properties. Shown by the solution, right? Now next move to the osmosis. So now the osmosis. The osmosis is the phenomena actually when a solvent is separated from its solution through an SPM. SPM is selectively permeable membrane or semi-permeable membrane it is called. So when a solvent is separated from the solution through SPM, then the solvent particles movement takes place from solvent side to the solution side until the concentration of both the sides become equal, right? This phenomena is called the osmosis. Actually the osmosis occurs due to the difference in vapor pressure, as we have discussed earlier, that in solution with non-volatile solute the vapor pressure becomes less from its pure solvent. So when the solvent side the pressure becomes more and solution side the pressure becomes less. That's why the movement of solvent particles through SPM takes place towards the solution side, and that is the phenomenon called the osmosis, right? So let's start. Now the first is when a pure solvent separated from solution through SPM, that is selectively permeable membrane, or it is also called semi-permeable membrane. Right? So when the pure solvent is separated from solution through FPM, then the solvent particles move from solvent side to solution through SPM. This phenomena is called osmosis. Right? Now, this osmosis takes place due to the difference in vapor pressure. The osmosis takes place because of the difference in vapor pressure between solvent and solution. Site. Right? Now the next is first artificial made SPM is first artificial made SPM is Cu2 FeCN6. The name of this compound is copper ferrocyanide. This is the first artificial made SPM. Now the next is in plants the plasma membrane. In plants the plasma membrane acts as SPM. Right? Now the next is molecules of water or solvent. Molecules of, to write solvent, it may be water. Molecules of solvent move from high vapor pressure to low vapor pressure, or you may say from low DPD to high DPD. DPD is diffusion pressure deficit. DPD is equal to diffusion pressure deficit. If we are going to make a table here about the osmosis, if we are going to let it is SPM, in between here is SPM, right? And this side here it is H2, water this side, and this side is solution. Right? Then, so the first point is, it is the movement of water molecules takes, or the solvent molecule particles takes place from the low concentration to high concentration. So low concentration towards high concentration through SPM. Now the next point is, this side the high water potential is there. High water potential. To this side low water potential. Right. Now the next is this side high vapor pressure. So high vapor pressure to low vapor pressure. Low vapor pressure. Now this side low DPD. Low DPD, diffusion pressure deficit, to high DPD. This is the osmosis. The osmosis is going on here, right? Osmosis. The movement of particles direction is this, right? Now next move to the osmotic pressure.